Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Seeing a broken deck around 1,300 feet with temperatures in the low 80s with a light east-east southeasterly breeze as we continue through the morning. Expecting a similar day to what we saw yesterday and the day before, where we'll see a chance of some afternoon showers and storms start to develop over the region, bringing us that chance of mainly some lightning in the area and a slight chance of maybe seeing a shower at this location at Wallops. If we look at the current surface analysis, we have overall high pressures in control. We do continue to have some surface troughing in the region that could help get those showers and storms going as we get some of that daytime heating going. Otherwise, a boundary off to the west that will swing through the area over the next 24 hours. And then off to the northwest, we have an upper level trough that's going to be digging into the northeast and into our region as we get later in the weekend. That's going to bring us a better chance of some showers and storms as we get into our Sunday. If we look at the upper level winds from this morning, once again we have very weak winds through the column, with our peak wind only at 6 knots this morning, and direction is quite variable as we go up through the column. Seeing that freezing level around 14,000 feet, and with those weak winds, we'll once again see as those showers and storms get popping up, we notice that they won't move very much and just drop a bunch of rain typically over the area at which they pop up. So that's kind of why we'll have a better chance of seeing that lightning trigger an advisory or warning as we go through the day today than we will actually seeing precip falling here at Wallops. If we look at the current visible satellite, we can see mainly just cumulus field across the local area, some additional high clouds swinging through, but mainly off to the west. We'll see a gradual increase in those high clouds as we get into the evening hours, but overall just light easterly breeze with temperatures in low 80s across the region. If we look at the European model here, see how things play out the next couple days through the weekend. Again, we're kind of stuck in this pattern as we'll start off dry as we go through the day, and then getting into the afternoon. Chances start increasing after 12 local, but really start the best chance for those showers and storms to start popping across the area will be after 1400 local. Similar to what we saw yesterday, and those will linger around as we get into the later part of the afternoon before things start dampening down, and then going into the evening hours, once again we'll see a chance of some misty conditions and low clouds in the area for the morning hours of Saturday, and then going into Saturday, a carbon copy of what we'll see today. As we get into the afternoon, we'll start to see a chance of those pop-up showers and storms once again across the area. In addition, we'll see those start to dissipate as we go into the overnight hours. Once again, chance of some misty conditions as we go through the morning hours of Sunday, and then that upper level trough will start to position itself over our area, bringing some better energy and a surface boundary likely with that as it comes through on Saturday. That's going to bring us a better chance of seeing some more widespread scattered showers and thunderstorms as we go through our day on Sunday. In addition, we'll have some stronger upper level winds. That's going to provide some support for some stronger storms as well, with some gustier winds. So the Storm Prediction Center does have us under a slight risk for severe weather for that Sunday time frame, as that better chance of scattered showers and storms push through the area. Things start to calm down as we go through the overnight into Monday, and then as we go through the day, Monday could just see some lingering afternoon showers or storms around. If we zoom out and look at the extended forecast here, again, starting off Monday, we'll see some afternoon showers and storms, and then high pressure starts to build into the area, keeping things mainly dry for our Tuesday with seasonable conditions. And then going into Wednesday and Thursday, high pressure remains in control, keeping things fairly quiet. But as we get into these days, can't rule out that typical isolated pop-up shower, possibly a thunderstorm, possibly along a sea breeze boundary that gets going during one of these Wednesday or Thursday. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, starting off with green conditions, expecting that wind to continue to pick up a little bit out of the southeast to south-southeast, around 5 to 10 to 6 to 11 knots for the afternoon hours. We'll see temperatures getting into the mid-80s, capping off around 85 to 86 degrees this afternoon, and that's when we'll start to pick up that chance of some thunderstorms in the vicinity, as a slight chance of a shower right here over the Wallops area. So we pick up that yellow chance of precip and lightning. That continues as we go into the later afternoon as well, before things start to calm down, and we'll see some high clouds on the increase, but the main thing will be some mist developing in the area once again after midnight, as we see temperatures cooling down to around 73 degrees and those winds becoming light and variable. And then we'll start off our Saturday mostly cloudy with mainly high clouds around and around 77 degrees. Tides are running about a half of a foot above normal today. As we go into Saturday, once again, a carbon copy of what we'll see today with some additional cloud cover in the area, partly to mostly cloudy for Saturday, and that slight chance of a pop-up shower or storm with that yellow chance for precip and lightning. So going into Saturday evening, we'll have a very slight chance of a shower or storm through the evening, some models indicating an isolated shower moving through. The better chance of that will probably be later as we get into Sunday, so keeping things green for the time being, but we will once again have a chance for some low clouds and mist in the area, so we do have that yellow risk for reduced ceilings of visibility with a low expected around 73 degrees. As we go into Sunday, that'll be the more active weather day with mostly cloudy to overcast conditions. We'll have those more widespread scattered showers and thunderstorms through the day and that slight chance of some embedded stronger storms, with the main threat being some stronger winds. So we do have an orange risk for our Sunday with precip and lightning, expecting a seasonable high around 85 degrees. So we go into the extended forecast. Keep that 20% chance of an afternoon shower or storm on Monday with a high around 84. And as we go into the middle of the week, we'll see things mainly dry overall with just a very slight chance of maybe an isolated shower popping up, but too far out to really narrow that down. But otherwise, temperatures in the mid to upper 80s as things trend warmer as we get towards the middle of the week. Wednesday and Thursday looking to have a high around 89 degrees. And our lows will start off in the right around 70 degrees, and then as we get into Thursday, expecting a low around 74 degrees with mainly partly cloudy conditions and some increasing clouds as we get later in the day on Thursday. Well, that will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again at Monday at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy your weekend.